Ornamental grasses are just gorgeous this time of year. Here we are in fall. They start blooming at the end of summer and go into the fall before they go into their dormancy in wintertime. And boy, are they just gorgeous. This pampas grass here behind me has these beautiful flower heads, the white, feathery, just gorgeous. These are full of seeds, and this is how these grasses reproduce. But they are gorgeous. This pampas grass is being utilized here as a screen here on the golf course. You can see just covers a large area. These get very wide, about 10 feet wide, and they can get about 10 to 15 feet tall. So what they're doing these days, people are utilizing these gorgeous plumes in interior design for home decor, and they're just gorgeous. Now, when you're working with pampas grass, you need to keep in mind that the blades, that's what we call the leaves of grasses, are very sharp and they can actually cut your skin. Now, grasses are very easy care plants. They don't require much of anything. In the wintertime when they go dormant, they die back. You can cut them back in the spring before they spring back to life, and then they flower all over again into the summer, into the fall. So if you want to have those types of plumes, I've seen them go for $60 for a bunch on the internet. Why not buy your own plant and utilize it for your home decor? For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.